Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning. Today I am sharing with you all how to solve secondary distribution of overhead with simultaneous equation method. Let's start our example. So, example is, in a factory there are 3 production department and 2 service department A, B, C and P and Q respectively. In April 2015, the departmental expenses were A 23,000, B 6,000, C 6,500, P 4,500, Q 2,000. The service department expenses are charged on percentage basis as follows: service department P 40%, 30%, 20%, dash 10. Service department Q 30%, 30%, 20%, 20% and Q is dash. So let's begin our solution. So this is simultaneous equation method. Under this example, we are going to form the equations. So let's begin. So this is our example. In solution, so solution starts from, let the total overheads of department P is equals to X. Therefore, the total overheads of department Q is equals to Y. If we go further, X is equals to 4,500 plus 20% of Q. This Q is donated by Y. So in a further step, we will write 4,500 plus 20% means 20 upon 100 of Q. So instead of writing of Q, we will write Y. Then next, as X is equals to, we have to take LCM. So here it will come the LCM like this: 4,500 multiplied by 100 plus 20 and divide by 100. This Y will be there always. So X is equals to 4,50,000 plus 20 upon 100. This X. Now in next step we will multiply this 100 with X. So 100x is equals to 4,50,000 plus 20% of Y. So here we are. This is our equation number 1. Now in the same way we have to formulate equation number 2. So in the statement above it is given the total overheads of department Q is equals to Y. So we will write Y is equals to, so department Q's total cost is 2,000. So Y is equals to 2,000 plus 10% of P. So Y is equals to 2,000 plus 10 upon 100 of P means we will write X. Again in further solution, we have to do addition, but the addition is not possible because the number are given in fraction. So we have to multiply it. So it comes to 2,000 multiplied by 100 plus 10 divide by 100 and it comes to X. So Y is equals to 2 lakhs plus 10 upon 100 X. Then we'll transfer this 100 on this side. So it will come 100y is equals to 2 lakh plus 100x. So this is your equation. This is our equation number 1 and equation number 2. If you see this is a combination of alpha numerical. Now what we have to do is we have to transfer all alpha one side and numerical one side. So this will be the creation of equation number 3. So what we will write, first we will write 100x. This is 20y. We will transfer this y here. This is plus 20. Here it will be minus 20y. Is equals to 4,50,000 will be remain in its position. So it's a formation of your equation number 3. Next now 100y. So we will write this 100y under 20y. It's plus, so the sign will be plus 100. 10x. This is plus 10x. Here it will go, we will write minus 10x is equals to 2 lakhs. So it's a creation of equation number 4. Now in further solution, what we have to do is we have to cancel one term to find out. So in this example, we are going to cancel the value of y. Okay. So how can you cancel the value of y? This is 20y, this is 100y. We can't make this 100 into 20. So instead of this, we will convert this 20 into 100. And how you are going to convert this 20 into 100? By multiplication. And we multiply this 20 by 5. It is your equation. So we are not going to simply multiply this 20y. We have to multiply this whole equation. So equation, when you multiply, your answer will come 500x minus 100y and 22,50,000. 22,50,000. Now this is your equation number 5. Okay, now we have to less the equation number 4 from equation number 5. So minus 10x plus 100y is equals to 2 lakhs. If we minus it, what we will get? We will get 490x. This minus 100 plus 100 gets cancelled. Here we have to do addition. We will come with the answer 24,50,000. So x is equals to 24,50,000 divided by 490. So what you will get? X is equals to 5,000 means what? The total overheads of department P is equals to 5,000. Okay, total overheads of department P is equals to 500. Now we have to find out the value of y. So what we are going to do? We are going to do now put x is equals to 5,000 in equation 1. So what is your equation 1? This is your equation 1. So we will write here 100x is equals to 4,50,000 plus 20y. This is your equation number 1. So 100 into 5,000 is equals to 4,50,000 plus 20y. So here it will come 5 lakhs is equals to 4,50,000 plus 20y. We will transfer this y on left hand side. So this is plus, it will come minus 20y is equals to 4,50,000 minus, this is plus 5 lakh. It will transfer and it will get converted into minus. So this is 20y. Here it's minus 50,000. So minus minus get cancelled. Y is equals to 50,000 upon 20. So your answer is y is equals to 2500. Y is equal to 2500 means what? The total overheads of department Q is equals to 2500. So we get the value of x and y. Now we move on the further calculation. So in the same way, we have to prepare a statement showing secondary distribution of overheads. So total overhead cost 23,000, 6,000, 6,500, 4,500, 2,000, which is already given in your example. So what we will going to write? We will write here now, distribute the overhead cost of department P. So we have calculated the overhead cost of department P. Department P overhead cost is 5,000. So we will write here amount 5,000. So on what ratio we are going to calculate? The answer is here. Here it is 4%, 30%, 20%, 10%. So your ratio is 4:3:2:1. In next case, 30%, 30%, 20%, 20%. So your ratio is 3:3:2:2:2. Okay. So your ratio will be